Hey guys, today I will show you how you can set up internet speed meter on the taskbar as shown here. As we know that there is no such feature provided by Microsoft to see real-time internet speed. So to set up this feature, let's get started. Okay, to set up internet speed meter, just head over to this GitHub page and here in release section just click on the latest version. And from here, if you have a 64-bit operating system, then download this one. If you have a 32-bit operating system, then download x86.zip. So I have a 64-bit operating system, so I will choose this one. So I have already downloaded this, so let's set up this. So after extracting the zip file, you will get some files here. Just double click on this traffic monitor. So as you can see that there is a pop-up window and it is showing the internet speed, but we don't want this on pop-up. We want this in the taskbar. So here just right click on this icon and click show main window. Again right click on this icon and click show taskbar window. So now as you can see that the internet speed meter is showing in the taskbar. Now you can also customize this internet speed meter. Just right click on this icon and go to options. So there are multiple features that you can implement here like fonts, font size, display text. Go to general setting and I will suggest you to just tick this auto run when Windows start and apply and OK. So when you will enable this, so whenever you will start your system, the internet speed meter will automatically activated. So this is a trick to set up the internet speed meter in Windows 10 or 11. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.